If you need to lock your card on Moan Finance, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Moan Finance app. Launch the Moan Finance app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section, often represented by an icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select Card Management. In the account settings, look for an option related to card management or security settings. This section will provide you with options to manage your debit or credit card. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the option to lock your card. This may be labeled as Lock Card or Freeze Card. Tap on this option to initiate the locking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to lock the card. Review the information and confirm your choice to ensure your card is locked. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Moan Finance for added security. If you need to unlock it later, you can follow a similar process. Stay safe and secure with your financial transactions.